Artistic family to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. We have a 16 by 20 inch white canvas that we are going to transform from ordinary to extraordinary using plastic wrap. I've used this technique several times before in several ways, and today we're going to be using a limited metallic color palette with silver, gold, and black, which I love, one of my favorite color palettes. And we're going to create something stunning and beautiful. So let's get going. Now for me, this technique is all about the patterns. And again, there's so many ways to create texture and beautiful structure in your paintings with plastic wrap. If you haven't already, please check out my textured art playlist as well as my creative painting playlist, and you'll see tons of variations with plastic wrap. So what I'm going to do is spritz the canvas, okay? So when I put the plastic wrap on it and create my patterns, it glides and moves very easily. Now, regardless on how you put your paint on here, it should not be thick, okay? So I have my paints mixed in with some water as well as some golden glazing medium. Now, I want some variation in this. So I'm going to apply the paint kind of separate, where we're going to have black, and I'm using my flat brush so I can get these beautiful striations that of course are going to go, but it's a great starting point. And now we're going to add some silver to this. But I want to mix a little bit here. Just want to make this a little bit darker. And just create some beautiful striations as well. Now for the gold. And I want to overlap this a bit with the black, just to give it some stunning variation, which is beautiful. And I love this just how it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. All that shimmer. So very simple. Anyone can do this. Just have fun. And if you do use this technique, guys, I'd appreciate a little shout out as well. And let me know how it went. I like my plastic to be a lot larger. Okay. Now you can just press it down and leave it how it is. I crumpled it up because I love that look. Just look already. Just look how that's coming together already with the stunning, stunning patterns. Now, when you scrunch it up, for me, I feel like I get these beautiful kind of icicles or ice structures. And oh, I'm loving that there. It's beautiful. And that's what we want. It's beautiful structure. Oh, it's stunning already. Absolutely stunning already. See a little bit of black there. Just move that around. Okay. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'm going to take you guys in to see what it looks like now, and then the reveal. I am in love. Every time I use this technique, I am amazed, I'm enthralled, I'm intrigued. The incredible patterns, which are going to be different for everyone depending on how you do it. But it's just mesmerizing to me. I could look at this all day with the plastic on it, and there's going to be so much dimension and depth to it once I pull it off. All of the intertwining layers looks like broken glass or ice, depending on the color. When you use silver, it's very ice-like. And I love the variation of color. Some of them blended together, which I wanted and expected. So I have some champagne gold down here and the brighter gold towards the edges, and the gray and the silver mix because of the black. And I love those empty sections here. Those kind of circular off shapes are amazing. So play around, guys. I cannot wait to take the plastic off of this. I'm gonna let it dry 24 hours, and I'll be back for the reveal. Okay, artistic family, are you ready? We know I am. It's been 24 hours. You can do it for less than that. It depends on the temperature in your room, how thick your paints were, how fluid they were, a variety of different things. But if you want to be sure, I like to wait at least 24 hours. So let's peel this back. And don't do the process quickly, do it very slow. And I like to grab the sections. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna lose my marbles here because I can't keep a straight thought looking at this. Oh my goodness. Incredible. Let me take you in. Well, if you guys thought that I was excited before, I am ready to jump out of my skin right now. I flipped this around from how you guys seen it in the video. The silver was up here, but I'll flip it around a couple times in a moment to show you it does not matter. The composition is stunning, the depth, the texture, and because my paints were really thin, it is flat to touch, but this visual texture looks very tactile. And of course, the structure is more prominent, and it's absolutely amazing. This is dry, and look how lustrous it is. The gold is amazing, and I absolutely love this piece. And like I said, it looks absolutely stunning in either profile. And I'm amazed. That's why I can't get my words out properly, guys. I am just blown away by this piece. I love it, love it, love it so much. So like, share, subscribe. I appreciate it. It's free. If you come here for inspiration, if you learn anything and you enjoy my work and my process, I definitely appreciate it. So stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next painting.